is Nicolette Williams with News Channel 11. We interrupt your regular programming to bring you a special weather announcement. Here's Noah von Schnitzenwagen in the weather room.
Thank you, Nicolette. Now, Hurricane Frankenstorm, Sandy, is coming up from the south and is going to make landfall in about New Jersey. That's where it'll be the worst at about 12 plus inches of rain. A lot of flooding. But it's going to stall at about DC area and potentially make a loop and come back up into the Great Lakes area. Thank you, and back to you, Nicolette.
As you can see, the hurricane force winds are starting to move up. There is now debris in the roadways. There are puddles. Be careful, people. It will only get worse.
And do not take illegal U-turns.
And do not take illegal U-turns. Here comes Lexi Lulu and her poodle Blissy. This is Nicolette Williams with News Channel 11. It's very important that you stay prepared for these types of storms when they hit your area. Let's go out to the street and see what everybody else is doing to prepare.
Thank you, Nicolette. I'm Hebert out here in Northern Virginia, and let me tell you people, another year, another hurricane in this odd place. The wind right now is blowing very soft, but it's going to get very, very bad during the night. Let's see what people are doing to prepare for this hurricane. What are you doing to prepare for this hurricane, ma'am?
I just headed to the store and I got the last loaf of bread.
Look at that! Whoa! She got the bread!
Get it!
There you go, people. It's desperate times and desperate need for bread. Make sure you get to the store and get your last loaves of bread. Thank you.
Come on in. I would like to tell you how I prepare for the storm. I believe that follow me please. I believe that it is very important to always be prepared. So, I believe that you should have water always available. So I have put water in my bathtub so that we will always have...
Hey, I'm trying to take it back in here!
I just mean to say that we like to have drinking water. Please don't air that.
Hey Shaniqua, what's up girl? Did you hear about the fight today? How did you not hear? The girl threw the other one on the ground. And then, get this, she threw her Starbucks in her face. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, she was on the ground before anything else could happen. And then, the administration...
We're back out here in Northern Virginia just a couple hours after I was out here last time. And yes, we got the lady her bread. No, she's thrown away! No! The wind is picking up really, really bad. And the rain is coming at the table. The screen is about to fall. You have to get into the basement. I think she called so that she floats away. She's a goner. We're going to have to find her body later. Stay inside. Stay safe. This one's for real, people. This one's real. Okay. There's a hurricane. There's a hurricane. We got flashlights, right? We got flashlights. Is it right? Wait a minute. I don't know about that. I gotta call my family. The phone's not working. The phone isn't working.